Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Rafat, and today we are going to discuss Aptitude Test Lecture 1 on the functions and the limits. We have delivered around 20 lectures which is related to the Aptitude Test topic wise. So today we have our first topic, that is the functions and the limits here. If f of x is equals to x plus x cube, we have to see that it is even function, odd function, or neither. So here f of x is given. F of x, it is x plus x cube. If we have to check that whether the given function is even or odd, we have to replace x by minus x. So this is minus x, and minus x cube. If we have to check that whether the function is even or odd, whatever the function is given, you have to replace x by minus x and then simplify the question. Minus x power odd, negative remain negative. So take out minus common here. So this is minus f of x. So if f of minus x, it is equals to minus f of x, then that function is called odd function. So the B part of this MCQs is correct. That means if f of minus x, it is equals to f of x, then it is called even function. When we have to replace x by minus x and there is no change in the function there, that is the remain same, but that means f of minus x, it is equals to f of x, so that function it is called even function. Here it is f of minus x, it is equals to minus f of x, so therefore it is the odd function. So the B option is correct for the first MCQs here. Now come to the second MCQs. Limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 upon n power n. This is the formula. This is the formula, and it is equals to C part is correct here. We have the formula here, 1 plus 1 upon n whole power n, it is equal. This is 1 upon n, its reciprocal will be in the power here. So it is equals to E. This is the formula for the limit. So the second part, C MCQ, C part is correct for the second MCQs. Now come to the third MCQs. Limit x tends to 0, that is equals to x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2. So when we have to apply the limit here, x it is equals to 2, then the denominator becomes 0. And we have discussed that when we have to apply direct limit there and the denominator is 0, that means we have to simplify the question before finding its limit there. So here we have to simplify the question. First of all, we have to simplify the question and then we have to apply the limit. So this is here limit x tends to 2. Now here this is x square minus 4, that means a square minus b square. We can arrange the formula a square minus b square divided by x minus 2, which is equals to a minus b, a plus b here. So this is one time negative, one time positive. So this factor x minus 2 will cancel out to each other, and now limit x tends to 2, that is x plus 2. So now we have to apply the limit x tends to 2, that means we have to put the value of x equals to 2. So this is 2 plus 2, that is 4, and the correct option of the third MCQs is D part is correct. So again I'm going to explain the point here. If you have to apply direct limit there and the denominator is 0, that means we have to simplify the question before applying the limit. So we have here in third part we have to simplify the question and then we have to apply the limit, and the answer is 4. So the D part is correct for third MCQs here. Now come to the fourth MCQs here. Most important MCQs. Limit x tends to 0, e of x minus 1 divided by x. Again here, if we have to apply the limit x tends to 0, then the denominator becomes 0. That means we are not supposed to apply the direct limit here. So it means we have to simplify the question before applying the limit, because if we have to apply direct limit there, then the denominator is 0. That means the whole result will be infinity, which is not possible. So here answer should be the set of real number when we have to apply the limit. So here limit x tends to 0, and this is e of x minus 1. So we have the formula here, e of x, it is equals to 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial plus and so on. So we have to apply the formula here. So this is 1 plus x square over 2 factorial and so on, and minus 1 remains same divided by x. This minus 1 remains same. And this is the formula of e of x here. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel out here. So this is limit x tends to 0, that x square over 2 factorial and so on, and divided by x. Now we can take out x common from the numerator here. So this is limit x tends to 0, x common, that means here 1. This is x square, we have to take out one factor common here. So this will be x over 2 factorial and so on. So here this x factor will cancel out to this x, and now we have to apply the limit. So when we have to apply the limit, so this is 1 and this is x upon 2 factorial, 0 upon 2 factorial means 0, and the remaining all factors become 0 because everywhere we have the x here. So that is 0 plus 0 and so on. So our result is 1. So the correct option of the fourth MCQs is B is correct here, that is 1. That was the most important MCQs, dear students. Now come to the fifth MCQs here, that is limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 upon x whole power x upon 2. Compare this MCQs with MCQs number 2. This is the general formula. This is the general formula, 1 plus 1 upon x, the reciprocal of this 1 upon n, it is n. So it will be equal to e. So remember this general formula in your mind. So here we have to apply this formula. This is 1 plus 1 upon x. So the reciprocal of 1 upon x, that will be equal to x, but this is x upon 2. So we have to write down this equation in the general form here. So this is now this is limit x tends to infinity 1 over x. So the reciprocal of x is x, and we have to separate 1 upon 2. This is x upon 2. We can write down x to the whole power 1 upon 2. We have the double power, then they will be multiplied to each other. So x ones are x upon 2. That means this one can be written in this form. Now this is the general form of this formula here, and that will be equals to e power half, or in the radical e. So this is B option is correct. Dear students, today we have delivered the first lecture for aptitude test, that is the functions and the limits. We will deliver around 20 lectures on different topics. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Math with Yasir Arfat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.